out of a Premier Class podium. Congratulations, Bagnaia, Martin and Miller. They're here. Valentino here on this last lap. They're crying in Ducati. There'll be tears just about everywhere here at the end. His academy riders are all there as well. He has brought joy and inspiration to millions of people worldwide, and that's lovely to see. He goes to embrace Pecco Bagnaia, who wins Valentino Rossi's last ever Grand Prix race. That's almost like the fairy tale ending, isn't it? Of course, it's better if Valentino wins, but the man who he's handing the baton to, really, in many respects, to keep the future of Italian motorsport talent going in MotoGP. Pecco Bagnaia takes the win. Warm embraces all round here from every single rider on the grid for Valentino Rossi. It's all over. One of the greatest Grand Prix careers in history then finally reaches its conclusion. And that's lovely. The world champion, Fabio Quartararo, who of course idolised Valentino Rossi as a kid, is going to be flying the number 46 flag back into Parc Fermé as well. Yeah, truly emotional scenes here. Petrucci got to finish the race as well, so well done, Danilo. That's great to see. Look, a big embrace. They're great friends, Valentino and Danilo Petrucci. These are fantastic scenes as every single rider that started that Grand Prix comes up to congratulate Valentino Rossi on what has been a truly remarkable career. We will never see his like again. Never see his like again. 9 times world champion. So the little gathering, the celebratory gathering for Valentino Rossi at Turn 2 with his MotoGP rivals, peers, they're all stopping full of respect for the number 46. Incredible scenes here to mark the end of an era, the end of a golden era in the MotoGP World Championship. And this just shows the class of Pecco Bagnaia. He's just won. He's just gone across the line to lead a Ducati 1, 2, 3, and the only thing he's bothered about is, of course, the goodbye to Valentino Rossi, and rightly so. 432 starts, 115 wins, 235 podiums, 65 poles, 96 fastest laps, but millions of memories.
Congratulate you on an extraordinary, legendary career. Thank you, buddy. You've been an inspiration for me. Lots of things. Great story.
It's been an amazing ride to watch.
Was it to see your passion for the sport?
Sì, resterei sempre
Fantastic, Valentino. I wish you all the best. Congratulations on your retirement.
my respect for you has never changed.
Grazie per tutto, Vale. Goditela al máximo.
Nada, desearte todo lo mejor.
Guarda avanti, un grande abbraccio. Ciao, ciao Vale.
Viva 46.
Some amazing tributes from some of the world's greatest sporting giants, from most famous Hollywood